Okay, this is the starting of the video. Since I already took a tutorial to show you how to make the ball in gold color. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial or find the link from the information field below this video. I don't repeat the procedure here, so I fast skip it. And now let's starting with the ball. And in this video, I will use the ball together with our pros and some our new flowers, the tulip, to make a table centerpiece. Okay, first of all, we need to install the stand. Take a slide and then take our pole to go through the ball and then another slide. Then this to screw them together. Okay, completed with the stand. Then let's put on some flower foam. Okay, I put the foam on the net and tie on the ball. Look, very sturdy. Then the following, we need to insert the flower to decorate the centerpiece. Okay, take some tulip. Look, they are iron wire inside, so we can bend. But before that, I will take some tulip and tie together. Use a string or something like this. Look, in fact, we can tie the tulip on the ball and then put on the flower foam. That will be better, but anyway. Okay, then let's adjust the shape of the flowers. Okay, and then let's insert the flower on the flower foam. If the stem not long enough, we can tie another stem together. Just bend it will be okay. And if the stem too much long, we can cut it off. But since I will use the tulip for other design, so I will wrap it like this. Okay, completed. Let's use it to set up the table. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look. Okay, look, let's check it in darker environment. Okay, back to brighter environment. Let's zoom in for the detail. For your information, we supply all the material used on the video, except the LED candle. Look, our ball. The tulip. If you have more tulip, add more tulip. On the design will be much more pretty. Look, our flowers and leaf white, a lot of type. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Look. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please sum up, share, and comment on the video as supporting so that I can get revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.